Hey guys, here is a 42-inch universal hugger ceiling fan in polished brass. This fan I actually got off of Craigslist for free, so I was really happy about that. It came with some hodgepodge messed up light kit, so I managed to find a 3 light kit that looked more like my childhood version, like you guys know. The globes, I need to find new globes for it because these are not the globes that were on my childhood version of this fan. But yeah, so I'll give this one a test for you. Here's the light. Low speed. This thing came pretty much all complete. It was missing a couple of the screws, but those are no problem to fix. This one's dated June of 1989. But I actually have the actual childhood version one right here that was in the house, in my grandfather's house. That one I need to find parts for, like a light kit. I need to find new blades and blade arms for it, but yeah. This one runs okay on low speed. The finish was actually peeling off the top of the motor. I'm not really sure why, but it's no big deal. You don't even see the motor. It's medium. High speed. This one's actually in a little bit better condition than the one I have installed downstairs in the house. This one's not as tarnished. Has some junk holding there, but this is one that I still haven't really cleaned up yet either. I still need to polish it and wipe the blades down. Probably see all the dust. There's also grease on the top of the blades too, but yeah. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.